Hello, today we're going to be doing lesson 3.9, which involves true or false number sentences. Our only vocabulary word today is number sentence. And basically a number sentence is a number model. Or another way of writing it would be words are replaced by math symbols like addition, subtraction, multiplication, parentheses, and so on. So our task today is to determine if number sentences are true or false. So let's take a look at some problems here, and we need to determine if they are true or false. Now, most of the time when we have a problem with an equal sign, what we need to do is make sure that whatever we have on the left side of that equal sign is the same as what we have on the right side. For example, if we have 4 times 5 equals 20, we need to make sure that the value of this 4 times 5 is the same as the value of this 20. So I know that 4 times 5 equals 20, and 20 equals 20. So in this number sentence, this would be true. Okay? Now, let's take a look at the next problem. Notice we have 4 times 5 in parentheses this time, plus 10 equals 20 plus 10. Now, we need to solve both sides of that equal sign to determine whether our number sentence is true. So on the left side, we have 4 times 5, which is 20. And we're going to add 10 to that. And then we still have 20 plus 10 over here. And 20 plus 10 on the left is 30. And 20 plus 10 on the right is 30. So 30 does equal 30. So this number sentence would be true. Okay? Let's take a look. We've got 5 other number sentences to look at here. So if I have 12 divided by 4 on my left side equals 4, what is 12 divided by 4? Or think of it like multiplication. 4 times what equals 12? Well, I don't know about you, but I get 3 on this side equals 4. Now, 3 does not equal 4, so this number sentence would be false. Okay, let's look at the next one. We have 15 plus 13 equals 28. So if I solve my 15 plus my 13 over here, I do get 28 equals 28. So this number sentence would be true. The next one is 8 equals 5 times 3. So I'm going to rewrite that as 8 equals, and solve 5 times 3 is 15. 8 does not equal 15, so this number sentence would be false. Okay, let's take a look at this one. 17 is less than 27. Now, is that true or false? 17 is less than 27, so this number sentence would be true. Okay, the next one, 3 equals 18 divided by 6. So what times 6 equals 18? 3. So 3 does equal 3, so this number sentence would be true. Okay, I've got a couple more examples here. If I have 716 minus 487 equals 616 minus 487. Now, I've got the same number, 487, that I'm subtracting on both sides. So for this particular problem, would I actually have to do the math? I'm subtracting the same amount, but I have different numbers that I'm starting with, which tells me that I'm going to get a bigger number for my answer with my 716 than my 616. So my gut tells me that this is going to be false. Now you can always double check by doing your math. And 716, if I did that down here, minus 487, gives me 229. And if I did my 616 minus 487, gives me 129. So that verifies that, yes, that is false, because 229 does not equal 129. All right, let's look at the next problem. This one's a little bit different. It says 42 plus, and I have a blank, equals 50. Now, when I look at that, I might think that I'm supposed to fill that in, but no, you're not. If they don't give you the information, that means that you don't have enough information to solve that problem, to determine if it's true or false, because we don't know what number they are intending to go in that blank. So I'm not going to get a true and I'm not going to get a false. I am going to put a question mark because they don't give me enough information to determine whether that number sentence is true or false. All right, so here's our summary. We talked about the meaning of the term number sentence, and we solved to determine whether number sentences were true or false. If you have questions, make sure to write them down on your notes and bring them to class, and I will be more than happy to work with you on those questions. Thank you for watching.